Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we have completed our fifth chapter, right? Solids, liquid, and gases. And today we will discuss about the textual exercise. So, everyone, take your book along with the pencil and mark the correct options. So, come to the page number 63. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct words. So first one, the space between the particle, it is called as a dash space. So interparticulate or intraparticular. So the space between the particle, it is called as an interparticle space. So take the first option, interparticle. Second one, the attractive force between the particle is called dash force. Interparticle or interstate? Sir, the particle is said to be interparticles force. So due to interparticles phase, the force of attraction will be very strong. Third one, liquids have the dash interparticle force compared to the solid. So weaker or stronger? Solids have the stronger attraction force, where the liquids, they have the weaker attraction force. So tick the correct option, weaker. And then fourth one, particle in dash are tightly packed, usually in a regular pattern. Liquids or solid? So only in the solids the particles are tightly packed with each other. So fifth one, dash take the shape of the container and they will have the fixed volume. Gases or liquid? Answer is said to be liquid. The liquid takes the shape of the container and they have the fixed volume. And then last one, dash do not have the fixed shape or fixed volume. Gases or liquids? Gases. Gases, they do not have fixed shape and the fixed volume. And then come to the page number 68. In 68, correct the false statement by changing the underlined word. So here the underlined word, it is said to be the wrong. We have to write the correct option. See the first question. The temperature at which a gas changes into a liquid is called as a melting point. So here the underlined word gas is said to be wrong. So the correct option, it is said to be solid. The temperature at which a solid changes into liquid, it is called as a melting point. So strike the gas and then write solid. Second one, evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes into the solid state on cooling. So what is the process name? The process name, it is called as an solidification. So strike the evaporation and then write solidification. Third one, condensation is the process by which a solid changes into liquid form on cooling. So what is the condensation process? It is the process by which a gas changes into liquid form on cooling. So strike the solid and then write gas. And then fourth one, the increase in the size of the substance on heating, it is called as a contraction. So strike the word contraction and then write expansion. So during expansion only, the size of the substance will be increasing. And then reduction in the size on cooling, it is called as an expansion. So strike the word expansion and then write contraction. Okay. Then choose the correct option. Everyone come to the page number 70. Choose the correct option. First one, these have the least interparticle space. So there are 3 or 4 options given: solid, liquid, gases and matter. So which have the least interparticulate space? Answer is said to be solid. Solid have the least interparticulate space. Second one, which of these is true for arrangement in liquid? So what is the answer? That is the second option. Less interparticle force compared to the solid. So tick the option B. Third one, which of these describe the particle arrangement in the solid? How the solid will be? It will be tightly packed with the regular pattern. So third option, tightly packed with the regular pattern. Then fourth question, which of these has a fixed volume but no fixed shape? So which are the fixed volume? Water is said to be the liquid, right? So water has the fixed volume but they do not have the fixed shape. So fifth one, the process by which a liquid changes into gas on heating. What is the process name? It is called as an evaporation. So evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes into gas on heating. Then sixth one, condensation is the process by which a gas changes its liquid form on dash. It is said to be cooling. And then seventh one, changing of ice back to water on heating. It is a dash. So it is said to be the physical change. Then come to the B, match the following. Okay. Here I have given the correct option in straight itself. So what is a solid? Solids, they have the fixed shape and volume. Second one, condensation. What is a condensation? The process of changing the gas into liquid on cooling. It is called as a condensation process. So what is a physical change? Physical change can be reversed. And what is a chemical change? Chemical change cannot be reversed. Contraction means causes an increase in the volume. Expansion means causes the decrease in size. Then give 2 examples for the following. So solid example, chair and wood. Liquid example, water and juice. Gases example, oxygen and nitrogen. Physical change, ice melting and melted wax. Chemical change, cooking an egg and burning a matchstick. And then give one word for the following. The space between the particles of matter. It is called as a interparticle space. Second one, the process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating. It is called as a melting process. Third one, the temperature at which the solid converted into liquid. It is called as a melting point. And then fourth one, the process by which a liquid changes into solid state on cooling. It is called as a solidification. And then the process by which a liquid changes into a gas on heating. It is called as a vaporization method. So today we have discussed our objective types, and tomorrow we will discuss about short answers and long answers.